Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of the DHgate app. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the DHgate like this and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here in this page you will go to storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.